Right then guys, we've got a very special treat here for you today. We have this absolutely exquisite and rare 1995 Jaguar Sovereign. Yes, the Sovereign. Not many of these around at all, and this car is absolutely exquisite. This might even be the long wheelbase version, in which case I think they only made 500 and something, but don't quote me on that please. Just do a walk around the car, and with this one we have a bit of a surprise as well. A good surprise, which I'll let you in on in a minute. The bodywork is just phenomenal. I mean, very, very, very few marks on there. I mean, to be honest with you, you can't even pick them up. It is had beautiful ownership. And that colour, now the sun is changing it with the lens. It's very much a royal burgundy red. It is absolutely exquisite. Like I said, you do not find many of the Sovereign. Plenty of executives, plenty of XJ6s, plenty of sports, but very, very rare to get this model. It is the top of the range. I mean, this car is fit for the Queen herself. That sun is really playing hell with the camera. Gathered, obviously, not just the sun, the car is as glossy as it gets, so that's also making it reflect back quite a bit. Just look at that. It drives like you're floating on a cloud. It is unbelievably soft. Like I said, we have got a little surprise in here for you on this one. This is a beautiful coming on to classic cars now. These will only go up in value. It is. Look at all this chrome, it's absolutely beautiful. The wheels, absolutely immaculate. All matching Goodyear tyres as well. There's the door. This sun is really bad. I will have taken pictures. I will take better pictures of the interior as well. Like I said, the sun is reflecting off everything because everything's so beautifully shiny. That's the driver's seat. And she has got 131,000 miles. That seat is not torn up. It is exactly as it should be, if anything better than what it should be. Very rare as well. Cruise control. Like I said, this is a Sovereign model, so you do get the cruise control. I mean, this is the driver floor, original carpets and floor mats. I mean, just look at it. Absolutely brilliant. Put that back in there for now. The gauges, everything works. We've got as well a radio, CD cassette, and it has a 6 CD multi-changer as well, which is in the boot. So that is a very, very good bonus. The AC, if you use it, make sure you're wearing gloves because it's so cold you get frostbite. And I have had it just regassed about a week ago, and it's holding it. So thumbs up, it works, and it works extremely well. Automatic 4-speed box. I said we have a little surprise in here for you with this one. Can you guess what it is yet? That gives you an idea. Look at all this chrome, it's beautiful. And I don't believe the back seats have really seen any passengers at all, because, well, there's no wear on them. Again, this sun is playing hell, so it is extremely difficult for me to show you. Cards are immaculate. Let's just open the boot as well. Documents, all Jaguar, a lot of Jaguar stamps as well in the book, but a near full service history. I mean, this book is stamped up quite a lot on not just service but inspections back in the day with corrosion, this, that and the other. Obviously those usual inspections, all Jaguar stuff. Like I said, it is absolutely fabulous. All the original sort of Jaguar books. Radio code is in there as well. That's your CD multi-changer. Just let this chap go past. Got a beautiful, excuse the noise, a beautiful twin sports exhaust system. That is brand new. I think that was done last year at a cost of about 960 quid. There is a receipt for that as well, I found. So somebody really loved the car. There's the back seats again. Like I said, I don't think the back has ever seen any passengers. Electric, fully adjustable passenger seat on the front. Again, the carpet is just beautiful. Immaculate door cards as well. Now, how about that surprise? Well, you may know already, this is the Jaguar 6-cylinder straight 6 3.2 litre petrol. So it's a proper Jag engine, not a Ford engine. Now, the good thing about this is back in the day, somebody, I believe the original owner, looking at the history, fitted a Perns VSI LPG tank and system. Now what that means, and I spoke to the last LPG engineer that worked on this, Perns gives you and this particular system is the absolute Rolls Royce money LPG system you could buy back when it came out. And it is bomb-proof. He said, absolute bomb-proof. You can't do any better, and it is phenomenal. So the car starts up on petrol, warms up, and it automatically switches to the LPG, which is that little square button thing I showed you down by the gear selector. You can have the option to run it on petrol, or you can run it on LPG. It is purely voluntary to switch it over or not switch it over if you wish to have it. So yeah, and that is, considering obviously the cost of fuel now at 68 pence a litre for LPG, you know, get even many brand new diesel or petrol cars, it'll do the miles to the pence on that you will on this one. It's fantastic. Oh, and we've also got parking sensors on the front and parking sensors on the rear. Given obviously the fact this is an extremely long car, like it's like a hearse, it is very, very, very much welcome, because you will not scratch it then, obviously, when you're trying to get into those tight spots. As for the startup, absolutely beautiful. Now that's running on petrol. And you can see here, oh, there we go. It switched over because obviously I've already got it warm because I've driven down here. So that there is your LPG tank, and shows you full, half full, empty. And this little square here, this button is where you can switch it over. So I can go like this. Now it's petrol. You can't even hear it switch over. Push it again. There we go, switch back over to LPG. It is so sweet, smooth and perfect. You cannot even tell. Just look under the hood. Look at that. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll just switch it back onto petrol for laugh. There we go. Right, we're running on petrol. I haven't cleaned the engine bay. I thought I'll leave it as it is. Yet. Beautiful 3.2 litre. We've even got, you can hear me over the thing, the original Jaguar tools. Most people would have half-inched them, and in fact they do. But it's very rare you even get them under the bonnet like this. You usually get them in a toolkit in the trunk. But to have this embedded into the engine bay, again, Sovereign model, top of the range, you won't get better. Very rare, very, very rare. Very exquisite. And here's your LPG. So, this is the Perns system. Here's your injectors. And that's your control module, ECU, brain, whatever you want to call it. Like I said, this is the Rolls Royce version of LPGs. You cannot get better. Absolutely bomb-proof. You just maintain them once in a blue moon and you'll be fine. So we've got no squeaks or anything like that at all. The engine runs absolutely sweet as a nut. Beautiful car, beautiful car. Shuts perfectly. So obviously, petrol input, LPG input. Pretty standard. I do have a number with the invoices that are already with the car for the last LPG guy that worked on this. He's in mid Wales and he knows the car inside and out. In fact, he told me that the chap who owned this car spent an absolute fortune just maintaining it beautifully. He said you couldn't have bought a better one at all. So if you're ever going to buy a Jag, a real Jag, not a Ford Jag, this is the one to put your money into. This will go up in value, and quite frankly, you'd keep her for the rest of your days because she is exquisite. Right, thank you guys. Hope to see you soon. Take care.